Everyone loves a good deal. And at TripTurbo, we make sure your travel and adventure bookings come with exciting discounts. With promo codes, you can save more on travel activities, and it works on TripTurbo mobile app and tripturbo.com. You can find active promo codes under Account Promo Codes. If you've received a voucher code or redeemed one using TT Coins, you can find it under Account and Vouchers. And if you've received a special code from our partners, the process is the same.
Applying a promo code for activities. To apply a promo code for activities, log into the app and tap Activities. Search and select your desired activity or service. Tap Check Availability. Choose your inventory if applicable. Select tickets. Add extras if needed. And pick your preferred date. Tap Proceed to checkout. Then tap Apply Promo Code. Enter your code and watch the price drop instantly. Fill in your details and tap Pay Now to confirm your booking at a discounted rate. And that's how to apply promo codes on TripTurbo.